Hey everyone, okay, so let me just turn down my fan. Okay, so I thought we'd do a favourites video today because I haven't done a favourites for a little bit, so let's make a start. Wait, let's start with these ones. So these are by Trinny and Susanna. Not Trinny and Susanna, that shows my age. Trinny London. And Trinny London do these incredible stacks, and these stacks are so nice. And basically they are your lipsticks, your concealer, your foundation, your blusher, your lipstick. It's all in these little pots, and you just take the pots. So we've got eye here. So you have the little pot in here, you do your eye, you screw it back on, you pop it back on, they all click into place, and you can just create incredible, and the pigment of these, just everything about them is lovely. And I think I probably own about 90% of all of it, so it is incredibly good. By Terry. So, By Terry products, I think, are absolutely beautiful. They don't irritate me, they don't cause me any problems with, sometimes scents can cause me to be like, not this one. It is absolutely glorious in every way, shape and form. So, By Terry, this is the Tea to Tan Face and Body, and this is a liquid bronzer. It is the most beautiful. I have been obsessed with this for such a long time because it is such a good product. And if you shake it, you get this kind of shimmer, but if you don't, you get a more matte finish. And I'm just going to kind of show you in the palm of my hand because, come on, this is what happens with new products, you know? Hello? Hello, why don't you work? Oh, it does work. Oh, it was me. Sorry. So you get this gorgeous, gooey, oogie stuff, but it is the most beautiful product. It dries really, really quickly. So let me kind of show you on the back of my hand. It dries really quickly, and it gives the most beautiful, I don't know if you can see that, I hope you can see that. It gives the most beautiful effect to this. I mean, that looks so much healthier than, it just is so beautiful. I love this product. Their eyeshadows, by the way, are exquisite. Another one, and I'm not a fan of face masks because I think it's what you do daily that matters, not once a week or whatever, but the By Terry Glowing Rose Mask. This is so beautiful. Your skin feels so heavenly and joyful and bouncy and delicious after this. Okay, so next we have Dr. Sam Bunting. Now, in another world, in another universe, I think we could have been very happy together, but probably not in this universe, because I think if we got married, she'd probably spend the majority of the night analysing my pores, and I'd probably spend the majority of our time in bed doing a smoky eye on her. And I kind of don't feel that it would lead to a very happy marriage in the long run. But in an ideal world, in a different world, I think we'd be very happy together. I find her to be incredibly beautiful, and she's such a kind person as well, and such a nice person. So I always adore anything Dr. Sam Bunting, and this is no exception. So this is actually her newest product, which is called Brightly. Now, I'm not going to bore you with any of the science because I don't really understand it, but this contains, this has a really, really high strength of azelaic acid in it. It's got niacinamide in it. It will brighten your skin. Just think, that's why it's called Brightly. I mean, you can have a look on the website. The links are all down there, but this stuff is amazing. If you're not interested in prescription strength products or your skin doesn't tolerate them, Brightly is a daytime product. You can use it at night. I do, but it works. It is so good. It is so good. And you've already heard me, this is probably my 5th time mentioning the Nightly Serum by Dr. Sam Bunting. The Nightly one is literally everything thrown into one single product. If you could use nothing else and you were like, well, which one do I pick, Brightly or Nightly? Nightly for me, because it is everything in it. But I'm not gonna lie, I've only been using Brightly for a little while, so it's hard for me to say that it's better than the Nightly one, but it is beautiful. And because I've only been on it now a week or so, it's difficult to give a true, long-term effects. But I know her product line, and I know the integrity behind it. And I don't doubt that this took her a long time, a good few years, I believe, to get this formulation right. Hello, fly. Be gone. I wish you well. But I said go. Rude. beautiful, beautiful products. So if you're looking to get tanned, and you know me with fake tans, I do a fake tan and I feel incredibly dirty and like to get rid of it. And then once in a blue moon, I go, I'd like to be brown. And the whole tan thing starts over again. But I always found this brand to be incredibly reliable, and that's James Read, and it's the gradual tan. So there's the gradual tan here by James Read, then there's James Read Sleep Mask Tan, and I can attest that this one is incredibly good. It's a really good one. And then there's the Rose Glow Water Mist Face. Lots to choose from, but they are incredibly, incredibly good. Really, really nice. I obviously don't have one on here, but I am contemplating it. Products. So this is a brand new one as well. This is from HoliFrog, and it is the brightening powder wash. And it is a vitamin C powder wash that you can add to your palm or just mix in with a cleanser itself. And it is beautiful. I love HoliFrog. They're a wonderful company. Very expensive in terms of things like cleansers, but they are beautiful cleansers, and I'm a big, big fan. I love it. Now, if you like Rose, then you're in for a treat, because this is by Fresh, and it is Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I don't even know what that means, but I'm using it as we speak. Very, very good product. And it is, I mean, it's so pretty, just from an aesthetic point of view. It just looks beautiful on your shelf. And of course, those rose petal probably do fuck all, probably don't do all that much, but it does look absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to jump on the bandwagon with this cleanser because everybody's talking about it, and it is such a good cleanser. You already know what it is. Everyone's going on about it like, you know, it's brand new. It exfoliates, it's gentle, it makes your skin feel good after it. It does the dishes. It's a great product. And let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. This is Desert Haze. I think this is such a nice product from Charlotte Tilbury. Such a good product, really strong lock in it, but then again, I have an arm that doesn't work currently. But look at that. It's a beautiful palette. Is it not a beautiful palette? It is a beautiful palette. And finally, we're going to talk about this one, Medicate. This is liquid peptides. Oh, this will make your skin feel so beautiful and smooth and delicious. It's so good. And another one, and this is skincare, but I kind of think of it more that it's part of your makeup prep, and that's the Magic Serum by Charlotte Tilbury. Really, really full of niacinamide. Go away, fly! Really, really full of it. Not as much as Dr. Sam Bunting, but it's not as good, but I think of it more as skincare, more as makeup skincare than Dr. Sam's, which is just skincare, I'm just talking absolute shite now, aren't I? Just think if there's anything else that I'd like to speak about. Oh yes, I'll tell you what I'm going to speak about. So I'm filming with this new camera, so you can let me know if it's any better or any worse, or if you really don't care. It's this new Sony one. It's very small and compact, and I just noticed when I was filming that it had stopped recording, and I don't know why that is, and I haven't read any of the instructions, and I perhaps should have. Yeah, that's it. We got a nice fun video coming on Friday, which I find to be quite jolly. So let me know anything and everything and anything you could possibly say. All the information on these products is probably in the description bar, but I'm filming this on the day of release, so they might not be. I don't know. I'm a bit shit, aren't I? I apologise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.